Love is in the air, but Gen Z and millennials in India aren't breathing it in. For a country that thrives on love stories, whether in Bollywood, mythology, or everyday family discussions, something unusual is happening. Young Indians are hitting pause on relationships, swiping left on romance, and embracing solitude like never before. But why? Is this emotional maturity, a silent rebellion, or the start of a cultural shift? Walk into a cafe in Mumbai, Delhi, or Bangalore, and you'll notice a pattern. Young people sitting alone, earphones plugged in, engrossed in their screens or books. Open a dating app, and you'll find profiles that say, not looking for anything serious. For generations, Indian society has been collective. Family approval, community expectations, and social norms dictated love and marriage. But today, youth are rewriting the script. Do what makes you happy is replacing log kya kahenge. And it's not just about rejecting marriage, even the concept of togetherness is evolving. In a country where marriage has often been seen as a woman's ultimate milestone, something is changing. More women are choosing independence over partnership, education, and financial freedom. More Indian women are pursuing higher studies, international careers, and financial self sufficiency, giving them the freedom to not settle. Fear of traditional gender roles. Many women have seen their mothers sacrifice careers and ambitions after marriage. They don't want history to repeat itself. Dating exhaustion and emotional baggage. The rise of toxic relationships, ghosting, and emotional unavailability has made many women question if it's worth the stress. Long distance marriages and new relationship models. If solitude is on the rise, so is the redefinition of relationships. Traditional marriage is no longer the only way. Long distance marriages, couples choosing to stay married but live apart in different cities for their careers. LAT, living apart together. Partners in committed relationships maintaining separate homes for personal space and independence. Conscious singlehood, people choosing to be single as a lifestyle, not as a phase. Technology has given us endless dating options, but has it made finding love harder? Dating fatigue, too many choices, too many swipes, and not enough real connections. Ghosting culture, one message today, radio silence tomorrow. Emotional investment feels risky. Social media illusions. Seeing perfect couples on Instagram makes real relationships feel like a letdown. In a world where connection is at our fingertips, loneliness is at an all time high. For many young Indians, personal growth, career ambitions, and mental well being take precedence over romance. The fear of emotional baggage, toxic relationships, and failed expectations keeps them from taking the plunge. So, the big question today is, are young Indians redefining love for the better? Or is this just another trend that will fade, with millennials and Gen Z eventually returning to traditional relationships? One thing is certain, India's relationship with relationships is changing. The only question is, where does it go from here? Do let us know what are your thoughts. This is Leena Lal signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.